Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how you can run the vehicle fitness test in Garage Master. So you can actually record the test for a particular vehicle as well as print the record of your vehicle fitness in PDF or print it through your printer. So let's just check it out. Once you log into Garage Master, you need to go to services, create one service. So if you want to do vehicle test for a particular vehicle, just book that vehicle under services. So we're going to create one service over here. Click on MOT test, which is vehicle fitness test, charges and all those things. Once you enter all those basic details, it's going to ask you about. So here is the MOT test details that is going to be pre-populated in the system. All you have to do is just whether that particular checklist is okay or not okay and things like that. And you can, once you make some inputs, it will automatically in the step 2 it will automatically summarize it. For each observation you can upload an image or upload some document and also write down the comments. So if you are checking about the emission test or checking the emission level and all those things, you can always upload the readings file or something like that over here in the upload image section. You can also write down comments whether this needs to be corrected or whether this needs to be, any part needs to be changed, or the preventive maintenance needs to be done, or any corrective maintenance needs to be done. You can always write down the comments. So there are a number of points that you can go through it and make sure all the checklist is corrected and make sure the records are captured correctly. So we have now done it, and we can just go and check in the service and view the MOT test, which is your vehicle fitness test. So there were 5 observation points that we mentioned, which is there. Now you can print it, and here is the report with all the points, all the evidence in terms of images and everything. So if it is passed the test, it says okay, pass the test. So it has passed the test, and we can just see that if it is not passed, failed the test, we can also see that with the comments. So that's your MOT or vehicle fitness test. And once you've done printing, you can click on print to print it through the printer, and you can give it to the customer for that to review it or things like that, or you can also save this record in the system for further action. So this is how it's easy to create and maintain a vehicle fitness test in Garage Master. And as you've seen that you can also print the records in the Arabic or different languages. It supports more than 40 languages. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.